So I'm going to explain question number 7 today now of exercise 14A. An open rectangular tank that is 4 meter long, 2 meter wide and 4.8 meter high. It is initially 3 quarters filled with water. Find the depth of the water in the tank after 4,000 liters of water are added to it. They have given us the dimensions of rectangular tank, and then they are saying if it is initially filled 3 by 4, and if you have to add more water, that is 4,000 liter, find the depth of the water. So I have made this tank over here. According to its dimensions, 4 meter is long, 2 meter wide and 4.8 meter high. This is a rectangular tank. They are saying it is 3 by 4 quarters filled initially. 3 by 4 mean if I am dividing this into 4 equal parts, 3 parts are filled already with the water, only when one part is left. Length of the tank is 4 meter, breadth of the tank is 2 meter and height of the tank is 4.8 meter. First of all, I will find the volume of the tank and then I will find out the volume of the water that was initially filled. So, volume of the tank is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, that is 4 meter, 2 meter and 4.8 meter. After multiplication I got 38.4 meter cube. This is the volume of the tank. Now I have to find the volume of the water initially filled. And how I will find out it initially filled? 3 by 4 of the volume of tank. So 3 by 4, I'm going to change off into multiplication. Volume of tank is 38.4 meter cube. So the volume of water that was initially filled, after solving this, I got 28.8 meter cube. According to the question, they are saying if you add up more water, that is 4,000 liters. 4,000 liters we are going to add in 28.8 meter cube. This was the initially filled water, and then you have to add more water, that is 4,000 liter. Then what will be the volume of the water, total volume of the water after adding this one? So you all know that we cannot add the different units together. So first, because this is in liter and this is in meter cube, so first we have to convert liter into meter cube and then we can add it. So I'm doing this over here, that I have to convert liter into meter cube. And how I will convert it? First I will convert liter into milliliter and then milliliter into centimeter cube and then meter cube. You have to keep it in your mind that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. 1 milliliter is equals to 1 centimeter cube and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter cube is equals to, we are going to multiply 100 3 times, centimeter. So 1 meter cube is equals to this. Now I have to convert 4,000 liter into milliliter. So I'm going to convert liter into milliliter, so I will multiply it with the 1000. So after multiplication I got this value, that is in milliliter, and I have told you this, that 1 milliliter is equals to 1 centimeter cube, so there is no change in it, will come as it is, centimeter cube. Now I have to convert centimeter cube into meter cube. So I will divide it with this number. So these three zeros are going to cut with these three. What is left? Only 4 meter cube is left. So I have done this conversion. I'm going to add it over here now. 4 meter cube plus 28.8 meter cube. Now we can add these two because the both units are same. So after addition, I got the total volume of the water, that is 32.8 meter cube. Now we have to find out the depth of the water, that how much deep is it, height basically we need to find out. We just need to find out the height of the water. So again we will use the same formula for the depth or height. Volume is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Volume is 32.8 meter cube. Length is 4 because that will not change. Breadth is also not going to change, it will be same, 2 meter. We have to find out height or depth of the water. So I'm going to multiply these two first and h will remain over here. So 8 is going to divide it with this number, 32.8 divided by 8. This is also meter, this is also in meter, so it will be meter square, and this is meter cube, and this is meter square. Though 2 is going to cancel with it, only 1 will left over here, and after division I got 4.1 meter. This is the height of the water, or you can say depth of the water. So depth of the water in the tank after adding 4,000 liters. So it is 4.1 meter. I hope it is clear.